There are so many cool things with ChatGPT 5, and you're hearing a lot of people talk about them. But here's just one example where this would have taken me probably a couple of hours to do. And ChatGPT 5 in agent mode did it. As you can see here, it worked for 25 minutes. So I basically just asked it, could you please go to this website and all of these pages, and there's about 35 pages, and extract all the questions and answers and put them in a document .csv file. So it explained what it was going to do. And then after 25 minutes, it gives me this file. So I cross my fingers, I click on the file, and boom. Every question and answer from the website, this is just a screenshot, but every question and every answer from the website is now on this .csv file. Like, unbelievable. That would have taken me at least 2 hours to get that done. And that's a repetitive, boring task that I freaking hate. So, you know what? Embrace ChatGPT. And how you do that is simply just hit the plus sign, click agent mode. When you do this, it actually opens up browsers. It does the full search. So let me just show this agent mode. Let's see if I've just invoked it. Let's turn it on. Hey, can you go to this website? I'll try mine for now. And find me all the questions and answers and put it on a spreadsheet CSV file. Okay, I'll just show you quickly. I'm not going to sit here for 30 minutes and do this, but watch what happens here. So again, this is ChatGPT 5. I believe it's rolled out to everybody now, and I have a paid program. I think it's $20 US per month, but I believe it's also on the free program as well. Okay, so here it's going to open up a browser within a browser, and it's going to go and do and check and pull back all of this information. So if you have these types of tasks at work that you're trying to accomplish, then this is probably one of the better tools to use. There's lots of things out there to use, but this one here, it was incredible how it did it. So again, it extracted everything I wanted. Man, AI is just crazy where you can go with it and what you can do with it. So it's counting down here. I've never seen this before. So let's just see what happens here. I shouldn't have done this live necessarily, but I wanted to show you the actual search functionality. So it's proceeding, which I don't know what that's doing. What I've seen it do is open up a browser within a browser, and then it starts to do all of that search within that page. And then it goes to the next page and does that search, and the next page and does that search. And this is a great way to scrape data. There you go. So I'm just going to scroll up. So this isn't me now touching it. My hands are up here. And this is going to go through that website and gather that data, just question for question for question. See, it's going to go scrolling through each page, right? It tells you I'll use the browser to find the method for scraping, blah, blah, blah. Now, what I'm going to do with this once I get this done is I'm then going to take all those questions and answers, and I'm going to upload it to ChatGPT and ask them, where's my blind spots? What am I missing? Topically, what am I missing to be more relevant for our products and services in our market? So there's a method to this madness. The last one I did was I uploaded that to Voice AI. So now I was trying to educate a new Voice AI agent for a client so that we could have Voice AI answer the phone and have all of that information at its fingertips. Okay, enjoy.